Square root of a complex number. In this video, we shall find the square root of a complex number using the algebraic method. This method will be used when the complex number is in Cartesian form. Let's find the square root of a complex number minus 7 plus 24 iota. Let z be square root of minus 7 plus 24 iota. Then we can write z is equal to square root of minus 7 plus 24 iota, where z is equal to x plus iota y and xy both are real numbers. We take square on both sides and write z square is equal to minus 7 plus 24 iota. Replace the value of z, which is x plus iota y. Z is equal to x plus iota y. We expand the square on left hand side and get x square plus iota y whole square plus 2 iota xy is equal to minus 7 plus 24 iota. We know that iota square is equal to minus 1. So we can write the left hand side as x square minus y square plus 2 iota xy is equal to minus 7 plus 24 iota. Here iota square has been written as minus 1. On simplifying, we get x square minus y square plus 2 iota xy is equal to minus 7 plus 24 iota. Now we compare the real and imaginary parts on both sides. After comparing, we see that x square minus y square will be equal to minus 7 and 2xy will be equal to 24. So after comparing, we get x square minus y square is equal to minus 7, 2xy is equal to 24. It gives xy is equal to 12. Here 2 has been cancelled with 24 to give 12. So y will be equal to 12 over x. Let's label these equations as 1 and 2. Now we shall solve these equations to get the values of x and y. Put the value of 2 in 1 and we get x square minus 12 over x whole square is equal to minus 7. Here the value of y has been replaced in equation 1. Expand the square 12 over x to get x square minus 144 over x square is equal to minus 7. Here 12 over x has been expanded to 144 over x square. We see that the LCM of this equation is x square. So we multiply this equation by x square. Each element of this equation has been multiplied by x square. On simplifying, we get x raised to power 4 minus 144 is equal to minus 7x square. Transpose minus 7x square towards left and get x raised to power 4 plus 7x square minus 144. Now we factorize this equation and get x raised to power 4 minus 9x square plus 16x square minus 144. As we multiply minus 9 and plus 16, we get minus 144. On adding these two, we get 7. Further simplification will give x square into x square minus 9 plus 16 into x square minus 9. It gives x square minus 9 into x square plus 16 is equal to 0. Place these two factors against 0. X square minus 9 gives x square is equal to 9. It gives x is equal to plus minus 3. X square plus 16 gives x square is equal to minus 4. Taking square root, we get x is equal to plus minus 4 iota. As we have already given that x is a real number, so we cannot take the values of x to be 4 iota and minus 4 iota. We shall cancel these values and take only x is equal to plus 3 and minus 3. Now we shall put these values of x in equation 2, which is y is equal to 12 over x. So after putting x is equal to 3 in equation 2, we get y is equal to 12 over 3. It gives y is equal to 4. Now we put x is equal to minus 3 in equation 2. We get y is equal to 12 over minus 3 and it gives y is equal to minus 4. Hence, the square roots of complex number are z is equal to 3 plus 4 iota, because z is equal to x plus iota y. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. So we shall first put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, and it will give 3 plus 4 iota. Next, when we put x is equal to minus 3, then y is equal to minus 4. So the square roots are z is equal to 3 plus 4 iota and z is equal to minus 3 minus 4 iota.